Tired of your Tableau workbooks getting lost in the digital abyss? In this video, we'll show you exactly how to share your Tableau creations on GitHub, unlocking version control and effortless collaboration. First, create a GitHub account or log into your existing one. Navigate to github.com and sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. If you do, just sign in. Once you're in, create a new repository. Click the New Repository button, usually found on your dashboard. Give your repository descriptive name, like Tableau dashboard. Add a description to explain the project. Choose whether you want your repository to be public or private. Public repositories are visible to everyone, while private ones are only accessible to collaborators you invite. Then click the Create Repository button. Now it's time to upload your Tableau files. This includes your Tableau workbook files, typically with the TWBX extension, and any data files or custom images you're using. On your repository page, click the Add File button and select Upload Files. Drag and drop your Tableau workbook and related files into the designated area, or choose them from your computer. Now, add a commit message describing the changes you're uploading, like initial commit, added sales dashboard. Finally, click the Commit Changes button to save your files to the repository. Congratulations, your Tableau workbook is now on GitHub. You can share the repository link with others, allowing them to view, download, and contribute to your project. Happy collaborating!